Good morning everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Welcome. How you guys doing today? Okay, so today main watch, like always, it's SPY, QQQ, SPY. So on Friday, SPY went all the way up, failed the gap till 443, 442. And got rejected there. So that's a gap close reversal. Today, so on Friday, I was looking for the 439 to hold, and I was bullish if hold 439, bearish if it couldn't hold 439. So today it's pretty much the same, honestly. 439.50, that's a big level on SPY, so under 439.50, I'm bearish on the day. Over 439.50, 440, I'm bullish. When it comes to stocks, the ones that I really like, it's Meta. Meta, it's very strong right now, pre-market. I think that's great for a swing trade. Well, if you are with me on the swing trade, um yeah, as long as Meta is holding 290, I'm bullish on this name 290, 288. So pretty much if Meta keeps holding, let's see, if Meta keeps holding this area here, I'm bullish. I can see Meta going back to 300, but I don't think it's gonna happen today because today I think we have two Feds speaking today. So I maybe today might be a weird day to trade, honestly. Um, the other one that I like, it's Snow and Google, but for the downside. Snow, Um, so first of all, on the daily, it looks like it has a head and shoulder here. It's been very weak the past few days, even when the market going up, snow like barely went up. It's in a downtrend. Right now it's gapping down. So I think if QQQ is weak, or the entire market is weak, I think snow can go down to at least 160. Right now it's gapping down under 170, 166. I'm sorry, 170, 168. I think it's very bearish on snow. So basically, this whole area here, I see it as resistance on snow, and also that's the neck for the head and shoulder. So yeah, for me, yeah, 170, 168. I would like to see a snow going back up, retest 170, and then look for a rejection there. That will be a very good play for puts. The other one that I like also for puts, it's Google. So, what it is? Okay. So Google here, it's been a clear downtrend. Just like snow, the market's been up. Google went up a little bit, but it's still rejecting this 123 level that's been like very strong. It used to be very strong support. Now it looks like it's a very strong resistance. So on the 123, I'm bearish on Google. Over 123, I'm bullish. I don't think Google is gonna go even near 123 today. It will be like very weird, honestly. So yeah, on their Friday's low, I think Google is very bearish. It's got right now it's gapping down a lot. I think it's running a lot pre-market. So yeah, Google is one that it's been very weak the past few days. And also I think it has a gap to fill. Yeah. So your next support is around 117, 116. And then it has a gap here to fill till 113. So 113, yeah, 113. So yeah, Google is one that it can be also good play for puts. And now that I'm seeing here, it has a head and shoulder here. So, but it's going down too much pre-market. I kind of want to see it bouncing a little bit at market open, and then maybe we can get a rejection out of 120. So yeah, Google, I'd like it if it can go at least at 120, but I think I'm asking a lot. But 120 or pre-market high, I think pre-market high would be good. Pre-market high 120 would be a good area to play puts if the market is weak also. But so far for calls, I like meta, but right now I think it's kind of difficult to play meta here, meta calls. If you're in the swing calls with me, so we're fine, we're great. Those things must be like up right now, at least 30%. So that swing is looking great. Oh, I saw FedEx on Friday because the 252 level was my PT on FedEx. Is a very strong resistance. It's been a very strong resistance the past few days. So yeah, 252 was my PT. I sold um my swing trade on FedEx on my main account and also on the small accounts. Coin, I'm still holding coin. So like always, let's be patient and wait for a good entry on a good play. But so far, our AI 40. Let's see. Oh yeah, I like AI 40. I had these. Okay, AI here, if you can hold this pre-market low, I think AI can run at least till 42. But it needs to hold this, not pre-market low, it needs to hold it 39, 80, 40. The meta calls are almost 80% up. So 298, it's a good I'm gonna take a little profits here at 298 is 92% up. I'm taking profits here. 298 is like a triple top. It can keep go higher, but I'm just 290 like having 92% up. It's more than enough for a play, so I'm taking I took a little bit profit here. Not a little. I sold like 70% of my position on Meta. I'm holding 30% of my position here. HD. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, HD. Let's see the daily. Well, if HD can hold 304.50, 305, um, yeah, it looks very bullish here. But I will wait a little bit and see where the market is going today because um both SPY and QQQ are near resistance. AI definitely looking weak, so I'm okay. Net. So it's losing it here. net needs to hold here. This more needs to hold here. Otherwise, I'm getting out. Yeah, needs to hold this morning low. Otherwise, I'm getting out. CRM, let's see. I don't see it squeezing. It's barely moving. It's barely moving. Ooh, block is moving. Square is moving very good. I have square on the square. I really like square here. Like a square is holding this pre-market low, like this support, the 66.50 that I talk on the Discord. I like square holding 66. What I really like about square is that on the weekly, look the weekly. So on the weekly has an inverse head and shoulder. And right now, Monday, it opened above this weekly resistance. So that's very, very bullish on Square. But I'm gonna be a little bit patient here because SPY, it's right at resistance. So if SPY can hold 439.50, so basically it's gonna be, yeah, 439.50 as support. I'll be looking to swing trade to swing trade Square, even if it's high, because intraday looks very good. Like for today, looks great, but this is gonna be like maybe a month out swing trade. But yeah, remember guys, I have Square on the small account. So let me show you the small account. The small account, I had only FedEx and a Square. I sold FedEx. It was 65% up on the small account. So I sold FedEx and I'm holding Square. I don't trade Adobe. It's too expensive for me. I prefer to trade other things that are cheaper and move way better. Okay, here is the small account. Okay, so I only have one Square contract. Let me refresh it here. Yeah, so I started the small account with 500. I sold FTX. I'm only holding Square, the 68 calls for 21st, so it's for next week. And yeah, it's this account, it's already $638. Let's see. How Okay, here looks better. So, okay, here is the FedEx, I'm sorry, the SQ contract that I'm holding. And here you have the cash balance and the total value of the account. So, yeah, so far the small account is doing great. We'll see. I'm not gonna trade this on this account all the time. I'm only gonna take like the few um swing trades that I see like with very high probability to play out. So yeah. So far only holding SQ. Okay, so SPY is rejecting here. It's rejecting resistance. Yeah, net is holding. So I'm not looking at net. I just put on alert around pre-market low. I'm sorry, at morning low, and that's it. So if my alert pop off, I'll be go back to the chart and check what's going on and see if I need to sell those contracts or if I'm gonna hold. But so far I'm just holding my meta calls and looking what SPY is gonna do here because it's right at resistance. So the market looks bullish, but with SPY, both the SPY and QQQ at resistance, I want to wait a little bit. This is red. Yeah, see, it's under this resistance here, resistance. It was support here. Let's see if we can break it today. CRM is moving nicely. It's moving nicely. I don't like this rejection on Meta. It looks ugly. Kinda ugly. We want to see Meta holding VWAP, and right now it's under VWAP is higher than 90 EMA, which is weird. Kinda weird because VWAP is slower. The 90 EMA should be under the 90 EMA. So, so so far, the market is very mixed because we have Apple, AMD, Microsoft, Tesla, Google, Amazon going down. Meta, it's green. SQ is green. Coin is green. But other than that, everything is red. the down stocks are strong, like HD, FedEx, Visa are holding very good so far. Okay, so now we have the rejection here on SPY. Ooh, that's an ugly move on Meta. We want to see Meta holding this pre-market support here, the 294. But I don't think it's gonna do it because QQQ is looking bearish and SPY too. Ooh, I forgot I had on Friday before close, I got a 364 put on QQQ and it's 20% up right now. So look at this daily chart on SPY. It's on Thursday barely held 439. On Friday, look this ugly candle. Today fighting this resistance here, and we have Fed speaking in like 15 minutes. So yeah, today it's gonna be weird day to trade. That's why I'm not too eager to enter anything, because I have my swing trades that are doing fine. Are you guys on anything today? Do you took anything today? HD, it's very strong, very nice. Yeah, that Tesla break. Um, that Tesla break, just like, I don't know, I don't feel comfortable playing Tesla puts because it's been faking me out with gaps the past few days. But yeah, it looks very weak, and with QQQ losing it here, um, so yeah, it looks like it looks very weak. Yeah, Google, I put it on the Discord. Like, Google's been so weak, so weak. With this, with QQQ dying here, Google can go easy to 116.50, easy. HD so strong. I'm holding SQ, CRM, Net, Coin, and Meta, and also have QQQ puts. Ooh, that's an ugly move on Meta. If Meta loses here this support, the 293 support, it's gonna go back down again to 290. Yeah, Google definitely dead. Definitely dead. The spy is still fighting there. It's fighting. I'm glad that I took profits at 92% on Meta. 92% on Meta calls. Okay, so net. Okay, I'm gonna close net because it's just down. Okay, so now it's bouncing there. Let's see how this candle is gonna close here. CRM very weak also. Net, it's kind of fighting there. It's fighting there. And SQ is holding very good. Very, very good. Yeah, SQ holding with QQQ going down. That is good, very good signal. Okay, so QQQ filled the gap here to 364. Let's see if we can hold the 364. 364 is the level that it bounced hard on Thursday. Five 55% on snow, nice. Yeah, snow was very weak, very, very weak. Look at this. Yeah, right now it's a little bit at support, but it's still looking very weak, very. And with QQQ going down, the snow is gonna keep dying. Yep, definitely. Look, that 168 rejection, that level here that it's in on red that I was talking about pre-market. Look, the rejection there. That it tries to go to that level and it rejected very hard here with this week and then this candle. Very easy trade here. Put play here. Very easy put play there on snow. So Meta filled the gap. Let's see if it can hold here or if it's definitely gonna go back down to 290. That's an ugly, ugly 30-minute candle on net. SPY keeps fighting this resistance here. The 439 resistance keeps fighting there. So I'm getting ready to sell net. Yep, definitely. Yeah, that didn't work out. Well, next. Sorry to hear that, Martinez. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win others. But you cannot have one trade that it kills you or it killed your account. That's bad trading. You can only put let's see, money that you're willing to lose on any trade. And if you have a small account, net, it was a $400 contract. So you shouldn't be playing net. Mm, So are you swinging snow or just a day trade? You need to think about that. Um, and yeah, 160 is your net. Well, right now it's kind of support, but yeah, the main one is 160. 160 is your next support. But once 164 can be support also. So, but the big one, yeah, 160. And then, yeah, 158 or 160 right now. So if it is just a day trade, just check how it's making lower high or lower low. And yeah, that's it. HD, it's very strong. Like it's going for the gap to 310.50. Very, very strong bounce. The market is going down and HD is going up. Meta is very weak, very, very weak. CRM is holding there. Holding, holding. Okay. Okay, so QQ trying to hold this 364. Like, look how it's bouncing from 364. 364 was support on Thursday. If loses 364, it's gonna go down to 362 easy. But so far, the daily candle on QQQ, it's ugly. But yeah, 364 is a strong support here. Support, 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 resistance, resistance, resistance. I'm sorry, resistance, resistance, resistance. All this resistance here. So it should act as support. I'm taking some profits here on my QQQ puts. It's right now it's 50% up. Ooh, CRM is looking good for a swing. It's still inside this bull flag, this that I've been talking about for like I think weeks now. Like this bull flag is still inside there. So that's still bullish. I'm thinking I'm getting CRM for the small account challenge. Let's see. So the account it's 6% up today. Thanks to SQ. We have $434 to play with. Let's see. I could get also meta, but I don't love how meta is moving. I'm gonna wait a little bit for this account. I'm only holding SQ and SQ is moving amazing. Oh, that's a bullish candle here. Watch Google. If you're on Google puts, this 5-minute candle is very bullish. And yeah, that it's right at support. So this is support here. PayPal. I never play PayPal. I'll always forget about it. What's PayPal doing? Are you in calls or puts on PayPal? Mm. Ooh, PayPal has a huge gap here to fill. Big gap, but it has resistance here at 71, 72. I would prefer to play. It looks bullish, but I would I don't know, because if I would prefer to play PayPal when breaks this resistance here, so I can play the gap fill, but it has a gap fill till 75, but it has a very strong resistance here at 72. So I don't know, but ooh, I draw here a downtrend. Okay, let's see. It has this downtrend. So PayPal, if it breaks this downtrend, it can really go to 78. 78. Like intraday looks great, but you have a very strong resistance at 69, around there. 69, 70 is also a strong resistance, but more like 69, 69.50. And we want to see meta holding here. The past, like with today's daily candle, yesterday's and Thursday, those daily candle look ugly, but if keeps holding 290, 289, I'm bullish. Okay, SPY is looking very bullish right now. SQ killing it. Anybody took SQ from the Discord? So SQ moving really, really, really good. And the weekly on SQ looks even better. Look this weekly. This weekly candle for only for today. Uh it's very bullish. It can easy go to 70. 70 is a strong 70 or 69.70 is a very strong resistance on SQ. But I think you can break it with time. The thing is like on SQ, the stop loss is under 66 or no 64. So because I entered a few days ago, I think it was on Friday last week. I don't remember when it was or Monday. Let me see. What? Okay, I open on the 3rd. Oh, that was Monday of um the right before the 4th of July. So it was on Monday last week. Yeah. Ooh, the count's already at 700. 700 and CRM is flying. Can we get to 1,000 this week already and double the account in like 1 week? Maybe. Maybe. I think right now the market looks bullish. Very bullish. Look, if SPY can hold here, this 439, 439.50 level as support. I think the rest of the day SPY is gonna keep going higher. But remember, we have Fed speaking today. I don't know what time, honestly. They're gonna talk. I kind of like SPY calls here. For tomorrow, the 440. Let's see. I want to see it holding this level with basically holding this previous resistance as support. The target on skew right now is 70 and then 74. The first one is 70. But if you're swinging, you can go for this gap to fill this gap. It has a gap from 70 to 72.60. Yeah, I'm getting a spy calls here, the 440 for tomorrow. My stop loss is gonna be if loses this support here. If loses this support, I'm getting out. Yeah, right now everything looks like it's reversing, like it hold anything that you saw that it was holding very good, or it was going up while the market was going down, it's gonna bounce hard because QQQ it's bouncing, it's looking bullish now, and the same for SPY. Did net stop me out? Only to reverse? What? Yeah, I hate you. But it's still under Friday's low, which is bearish. I'm not gonna look net anymore. I was looking to take 300 calls for Meta for the end of the month for the small account, but those contracts are so expensive. So expensive for the small account. So basically, if SPY can hold this previous resistance, can hold it as support, it's bullish. That's why SPY is bullish right now. If loses that support, it's bearish. So yeah, we want to see a spy holding here. Oh, so we have, okay, what's gonna be the snack of the day for today? Let's check it out. Oh, Pop-Tart, we have the strawberry Pop-Tart. We have the hot fudge sundae. We have the brown sugar that I think we tried this one before. And also the blueberry, but the blueberry also we tried that one before and it was very good. Everything from this brand again is very good. We also have the cinnamon roll, and we have the same cinnamon roll, but this one is chocolate flavor. So which one is gonna be? The chocolate cinnamon roll, the sundae hot fudge, or the strawberry? I need you guys to vote for that. Which one is gonna be today? I'm kind of hungry. The hot fudge looks very tasty. Looks the picture here. Hot fudge. Hot fudge. This one also looks very good. Hot fudge sundae. Spy is looking good. Cinnamon roll. I've tried the cinnamon before and it's very, very good. So I kind of want to try something new. I haven't tried the hot fudge, the strawberry, and the chocolate. So today I want to try one of these three and then I'll go for the cinnamon roll tomorrow. So I guess the hot fudge it is this one. So I'm gonna go and put it on the microwave like 10 seconds. Yeah, put it on the microwave 10 seconds and I'll be back. I'm gonna put some alerts here. So under this week on spy, and I'll take my phone for the alert. I'll be back in like 1 minute. And I'm back. Okay, so I'm um still on those spy calls. I wanna see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. If it's gonna close losing this previous candle support, I'm getting out. If closes holding this, it looks like it's let's see. Pretty much if holds VWAP or not. Yeah, definitely not. Okay. Yeah, I got out of SPY. I knew it was gonna be a difficult day for me because of the Fed's talking today and because of the way I trade. Days like today are not good for me to trade. Okay, so let's keep going with this. So far, it looks very good. Look at this, yummy. It looks very yummy. Um, it has okay, 180 grams of I'm sorry, 180 calories, 22 grams of carbs, uh, 9 grams of fat, no sugar, and 20 grams of protein. So macros are very, very good. Let's see. Mm. I wish you guys can see how it is inside and it's melting, how the chocolate it's melting. Looks very good. Mm. This thing is delicious. So good. Look, it's melting there. Mm. For only 190 calories, 180 calories, it's amazing. Amazing. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, this I like chewy things, but this one is not chewy at all. Um, it's a little bit dry, but if you put it like it says on the instruction, just put it like 10 seconds on the microwave. It gets like super like soft and the chocolate melts. It's so good. Yeah, definitely recommend this one. Is the Sunday Funch. Honestly, I thought I wasn't too eager I wasn't too eager to try this one because I'm not like big on chocolate, but this one is like so good. I think so far, I think it's my favorite. And I've tried the cookies and cream, the blueberry, the cinnamon, brown sugar, and I think this one is my favorite. So good. Like kind of sad that I ended it so fast. No puts. Let's see what snow is doing. No, no here. It's right like in the middle. For a scalp, maybe, but because I don't really like scalping, I would prefer to take puts either around 170 or 168, but above 168, between 170 and 168, I'll be I like for puts snow, but here no. Right here it's right in the middle. You are too far from resistance and too far from support also. But like I said, you can if you want to scalp, that's up to you. I honestly, the only thing that I like is CRM and SQ because both are holding very good. But I will not take anything right now. I don't see anything that I love. Well, Spy is kind of making a head and shoulder here, and it's under VWAP. So Spy could be a good quick scalp, put scalp here. Carvana, I don't really trade Carvana. I don't like trading Carvana. I did trade Carvana a few times during COVID, and I made a lot of money with that one. But mm, mm, let's see. Yeah, it looks very bullish on the daily chart. So the thing on Carvana was to enter in the morning because it opened at Friday's high. So that right there is very bullish. And it hold and it broke very strong pre-market high. So that was your entry on Carvana. It was here, right when it broke pre-market high. Right now, um, I yeah, right now for me it will be chasing definitely. I hope that CRM is gonna finally break out of these um bull flag with me holding calls because I've been trading this one for so long. I'm holding this week's 115 calls. So let's see if CRM finally can break out this week. I don't think it's gonna do it today because the market is definitely choppy, and it's looking very weak. Like QQQ, it's under Friday's low, clearly rejected this 367 resistance, and and SPY rejecting the 439 resistance, so it's looking bearish. Ooh, look how ugly these daily candles are. Like the Friday candle on SPY extremely ugly. Today candle, it looks extremely bearish too. Will it still have like 5 hours to close, but if it closes like that, with the long wick at the top, that's ugly. Like very, very weak and bearish. So yeah, looks like SPY is doing this in the head and shoulder. It's a choppy day, so it's a difficult day to trade. Very choppy. If you didn't get like right at open, like calls or puts right at open, um, it's gonna be very difficult to trade the rest of the day. Always difficult day when it's a choppy day. And with Fed speaking so many times this week, it's even more difficult. I don't even feel like trading this week, honestly. This is why I like to trade. I like to do swing trades, like calls at strong support and puts at a strong resistance. But with a bullish market, I'm just focusing on calls because it gets like I don't see the point on trading this on SPY. Like QQQ went down in the morning, SPY went up and then rejected resistance, and now it's kind of trying to bounce. And QQQ, it's even worse. Like this choppy, look, this choppy intraday chart. It's like nothing, no clear direction on both the SPY and QQQ. Sorry to hear that, Martinez. Like, I think you're trading by your comments. It looks like you're trading very emotional. Like, what was like? If you need a little bit of help, you can DM me, and yeah, maybe I can help you there. But it looks like you're trading very emotional. You need to have a plan pre-market and just follow your plan, and that's it. Forget about feelings. I only see you commenting about how you're losing money, but in very like emotional comments. Not, I don't see you like typing on the chat anything about your plan or a stop loss or asking about like certain, I don't know, chart or pattern or support or resistance. Nothing. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. So the mic is I had the mic off. So okay, Oracle, it's very 50-50. Like it can go up or down because on the daily chart you have a bull flag. So if holds 114, it can bounce and go first of all to 117 and then 122. 122 is the main resistance here. But if loses this support, it's gonna fill the gap down till 110. So it's very 50-50. Very 50-50. It can go either way. I think it depends where the market's going. Your inputs? Yeah, I think puts here it's better just because the market like SPY and QQQ are looking weak. So if I were you, I will swing puts with a kind of big stop loss. So the stop loss will be 115. 115. So today's high. I like Oracle for puts, honestly. But again, if you I would prefer for a break, kind of retest to either 114 or 114.30, which is the VWAP, and then take puts there so you have your stop loss a little bit closer. So it depends. When do you took when did you take this put play? Did you just enter it or you enter it around 115? So it depends where you enter it. So if you enter it early morning around 115, I will just hold unless you break morning high because I think it could go down and fill this entire gap. If the market, like if SPY and QQ keeps being weak, I think, yeah, Oracle can go down and fill the gap. The break of 114, yeah, I do like this. I really like your display, honestly. This one display, but the thing is like with this week uh Fed speaking, and I think we have data also coming up. I don't know, it's a little bit difficult. I think technical analysis right now it doesn't work, honestly. On weeks like this, technical analysis doesn't work. Oh, thank you. Yeah, SQ is looking fantastic. Yeah, SQ is very strong. The next resistance, it kind of right now, it's like 69.50, 70, and then it has a gap to fill till 72.50 around there. So yeah, this food play, I do love it. I do like it a lot. So you can use the VWAP as your stop loss, or yeah, the V I will use a VWAP as my stop loss. And you know what I like the most is this the weekly chart because let me clean this because the weekly um candle right now is bearish. So yeah, it's bearish. You know what? I'm gonna take it with you. I think I'm kind of chasing this one, but I like it for a swing, and it's gonna be a hedge for me. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see if a spy can bounce here. Um, yeah, I wanna see it bouncing a little bit. Maybe go back to 114 or the 90 MA. Let's see, because QQQ is kind of trying to hold here. Yeah, so this SQ play is almost 60% up. So it's looking nice. Looking nice for this small account, and it's for next week. So I'm gonna keep holding this trade. I think for a little bit. I think I'm gonna go for the gap fill on SQ. Yeah, the gap fill from 70 to 7, almost 73. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna enter that Oracle. I'm gonna get it for next week because I want time. And let's see, the 114th puts. It kind of has a wide spread on the contract. Okay, so I got filled on the 113 for next week. I didn't get got filled on the 114th. Those one move too fast. So yeah, I'm holding for next week 113 puts. Right. Yeah, but for this week, I know it's only Monday. I just want to hold these for a few days. I want to hold for the gap fill, and because we're having so many things coming up this week, I don't want to risk it, and I don't want my contracts. If the market goes against me, I don't want my contracts to lose money too fast. So that's why I got for next week, because I'm looking to swing this one. And I want to swing for the entire gap fill. Yeah, if you're feeling risky, you can take this week. I took next one, next week. CRM, it's like moving so nicely. It's so weird. Like it's very weird. Because this thing, it's been eating our premium like for days and doing nothing. And today the market is going down and this one is going up. Like, why? Amazon, let's see. Yeah, under 127, 127.50 it looks bearish because it lost, Amazon lost this uptrend here. It's now like lost this uptrend. So yeah, as long as it's on their Friday's low, I think it's very bearish. And it's rejecting the VWAP there. So yeah. Also, Oracle moved very slow. It looks by cents or maybe $1, but it's a very slow mover. That's another one why I took next week contracts. Anybody took the head and shoulder on SPY? Ooh. Yeah, this is so boring. I'm kind of falling asleep here. Okay, so Oracle, fine. As long, I'm not even gonna look this one. I'm just gonna put a alert there above VWAP. See what Meta is doing. Meta's doing nothing, but the daily looks great. I like the daily today. It's doing nothing. It's very, very choppy. But I do like the daily chart. Again, as long as it's holding 288, 289, this green area, I'm bullish on this one. Coin is looking bearish. Okay, Oracle's looking great. Looking great. Very weak. Who pointed out Oracle? Thank you for the play. Okay, so I'm done for the day. And I don't think I'm gonna get any other like plays. I'm holding coin, I'm holding CRM, I'm holding Square on the small account, I'm holding Meta, and I'm holding what else? Oracle puts. So um this one here. If goes back up to VWAP, I'm gonna get more put for next week. My stop loss is gonna be today's high. So 115, around 115 is my stop loss. I have a lot of time for this one. So again, if goes back up to these like pre-market low resistance, I'll get more there. I'm gonna get more there. Um, my stop loss on coin is the same stop loss that I've been talking for weeks. Go to the Discord, you can see it there. It's like, I think it's 72 or something like that. I don't remember. So coin is right now it's very bearish. So if loses 74, I'm gonna get out. As long as it's holding this support, this green area, I'm in. It's a swing trade. So yeah. So if you don't want to lose money, get out, because so far right now coin is looking bearish. I took some profits on Friday, so I'm fine holding what I have. The rest that I have, the same with Meta. I also took profits on Meta today and on Friday too. Took some profits on Friday, took some profits today. So I'm only holding like a small position on Meta, but still, as long as it's holding 289, I'm in with the rest of my position. So I'm green on Meta. I'm also green on coin. That's why I always say take some profits when the trade goes in your favor, so you don't really think too much about it and you just hold some runners. SQ, I'm gonna hold it for days. What else? CRM is looking great, so unless it dies and goes under 207, I'm selling CRM, but I don't think it's gonna go there. So yeah, I want to see CRM today holding 209, pretty much low of the day. We want to see it holding low of the day, but for me to get out of CRM, it needs to lose this green area too. So far, I'm good with my swing trades. Mm, oh, remember to like the video. I have no likes. 40 likes only. Um, so yeah, I think kind of boring day, but so far, the swing trades are doing way better than the day trades. So let's see. Oh, if Oracle fills the gap today, or it's near the gap, because I'm gonna take profits if it's near the gap. I'm gonna take a lot of profits around 111. I'm gonna sell like 70% of my position, and if it goes near 110, I'm selling everything. So yeah. So see you tomorrow. To what? Tomorrow, yeah. Here tomorrow. Bye.